Hi there, it's George here, and today I have some exciting news. Germinated coffee beans, as you can see, amazing coffee seedlings already. I did made video in beginning of June how I did put this to germinate. I did harvested coffee beans from my own coffee arabica plant indoor, and that's it. And now, as you can see, beautiful seedlings, 6. This did grow more. I will add the link of that video how I harvested and planted in this pot. If you didn't see that, just link is in the corner and in description. And now, so happy. They started germination after 2 weeks I planted, and they're beautiful now, and I'm happy to show you close up already. That's it. Happy that germinated, amazing news, because the seeds was fresh. Let's see now close up how they looking. I did take the pot with me here in the nature. I did walk around 100 meters. I like here very much to shoot because it's calm here, and that's it. And look at the coffee tree seedlings, amazing, just so shiny leaves, the first leaves, and another 2 leaves growing here. It just is amazing. It's a kind of windy. Actually, the coffee does not like windy, but it's not a problem, very big deal. That's it. And another coffee seedlings which are growing more slow, but anyway they will grow. I will help to grow. This I did help. I did remove this thing from the leaf, and now it's beautiful and growing. And look at the date when I planted, on 3 June 2021. Actually, this coffee seedlings growing on the windowsill inside, but I like to shoot outside. That's it. And so looking now a short update. This is just pretty, especially that I did grow from my own seeds. Well, hope you like my coffee tree seedlings. They are very beautiful. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Subscribe to this channel and activate that bell if you want to get notification when I'm posting new videos, and as well you can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. See you next time. Have a good autumn day. Bye bye.